Christina and Armando here in the garden. And we are going to be putting some netting support for the Snapdragons. One thing last year that I learned the hard way is that if you don't support these taller plants and a strong wind comes or a strong rainstorm, they will bend and collapse and might even die. So we learned, taking our learnings from last year to this year, first thing we did was Armando installed these supports. I don't know what they're called. Support stakes in, and we're going to put a few layers of netting so that when the Snapdragons grow, they grow within the layers and have some extra support. Can we take a look? So we finished. It was definitely a two-person job. Well, we messed up in the beginning, but we got it. And now we just have to do it to 5 other raised beds. But I have to wait until I plant those, which probably hopefully in a couple weeks, maybe 3 weeks, depending on the weather. But yeah, we'll document everything, take you along, and yeah, it'll be fun. Bye. Thanks for watching.